Hello everyone! In previous videos, I've already shown that I had to replace a CV boot once before, but today I noticed that the outer CV joint boot has torn again. You can see that some grease has already started to come out. The problem is that I don't have a spare boot at the moment, so let's try to repair this boot in a unique way so that I can drive for a while longer without damaging the outer CV joint. For this, I'll need just a clamp and a plastic bag to prevent sand, dirt, and water from getting into the joint. I'm going to try making a simple cover out of a plastic bag, and to keep it from slipping off the axle, we'll secure it with these clamps. Alright, I've tightened the clamps. Now I just need to turn the steering wheel and make sure the bag isn't stretched too tight and has a bit of slack. Otherwise, the bag might tear when the steering wheel is turned. I've turned the wheels to the maximum angle. The bag is almost taut, but I think its length should be enough to handle turns without tearing. Another option is to try turning the wheel while rotating the tire and see how the CV joint works with this makeshift cover. I've driven a few dozen kilometers. Let's take a look under the wheel arch and see how our outer CV joint is doing. As we can see, the bag hasn't torn and everything is fine. This kind of boot seems to work. You can see the grease, but it's under the plastic and no dirt is getting into the joint. Overall, this turned out to be a decent temporary solution to the problem, but it's still better to replace the boot as soon as possible. I've already found a GKN boot, so now I'll replace this makeshift cover with the proper one. That's all for now. See you in the next videos.